Hi, I'm Linda Kemp, and on May the 1st to the 3rd, I'll be sharing the techniques that had an amazing impact on my own drawing and painting skills for figures and faces, and I believe that they'll help you too. I've put together a short video to show you what we'll be up to. First, here are a few of my simplified watercolor faces and figures, and then I'll give you a peek at one of the painting projects in the workshop. Even if your past attempts at figures and faces have turned out like stick figures, you can do this. Join me in this new watercolor workshop and amaze yourself with artwork that you'll be proud of as you learn to draw and paint portraits with confidence. Let me give you a quick overview of one of the lessons. A profile view is the best way to learn how to draw faces, and working with a 3x3 grid makes it as easy as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you'll learn a follow-along sequence plan for drawing the parts of the face. With a strategy like this, you'll know what to draw, where, and when. You'll get lots of practice as we draw several faces together. In this interactive workshop, you will learn how to simplify faces and figures down to their essential lines and shapes. Simplifying helps you clarify the composition and main elements of your artwork, no matter your personal style. Reducing complex details makes it easier to plan the arrangement and balance of shapes, lines, and colors in your painting. You'll learn about shading and colors that work for creating flesh tones too. Then choose your favorite drawing to create templates that will make transferring the drawing to watercolor paper extra easy. Then it's on to a loose wet into wet underpainting. Now this is watercolor fun. Here's a look at the development of one of the projects. We'll work together and you'll see every step as I explain each concept, idea, and application. I know how important it is for you to have time to try the techniques for yourself and to have opportunities to ask questions too. There are interesting projects each day that make learning easy, whether you are just starting out or an experienced painter who wants to learn how to simplify their art and loosen up their watercolors. This unique approach to figures and faces focuses specifically on negative painting techniques. You'll have the joy of laying down wet, vibrant color and then define the subject by painting around the shape in the negative space. There are so many exciting and creative things to learn. There'll be lots of new projects and ideas. And you'll learn how to use negative painting techniques to complete your pieces as you block around the face and add final embellishments. We will work together on every stage of the projects, from underpainting to completion. In this course, you'll have the opportunity to experiment with both transparent color and opaque. We start with the basics and build to more advanced techniques such as drawing into wet paint without a plan. Along with the course, you will receive student handouts and PDF downloads for worksheets so you can get extra practice. There's a private web page where you can find loads of extra information too. All of the video lessons and tutorials will be available to you for an additional 6 weeks following the workshop. I hope you'll join me on this fun online painting adventure with Cheap Joes, and you'll surprise yourself with what you can achieve.